Hey everybody, it's Dr. Curtis. It's another Wednesday. I give you a couple more tips as far as staying healthy and safe, enjoying your winter sports. It hasn't snowed again since I last came skiing, so that means the packed powder is harder. It's cold. It's 32 degrees. It's high with the wind chill. It's like 10 degrees. As far as staying safe on these slopes, it's icier first thing in the morning, and when the sun goes down, it's below freezing, and so whatever snow is on the top is going to get crusty and icy. So actually, it's better get a half-day ticket, come up 12:30. After the sun's been out, people have been softening up the snow a bit, and things are much softer. And so that's what I did. I came up about 12:31, and things are not too bad. So what I did today was I actually brought my skis and snowboard up, and I decided to try snowboarding for the first half a day, and then skiing in the second part of the day. While that might seem a little crazy, they actually use different muscles, and so just like a triathlon, you could actually go from one event to the other. So snowboarding kind of uses a kind of a back and forth motion, and skiing you're facing downhill using your quads much more. So it's working out well. I was able to hone both skills. Here's just a panorama of our beautiful outdoors. Hey everybody, just a couple more tips to keep you safe and having fun on your winter sports. I would suggest bringing a backpack, so you can bring a little water with you, some simple carbohydrates like an apple, or complex carbohydrates like banana. Lastly, I would suggest taking some lessons, so you could learn to work smarter, not harder, and learn to apply your lessons and be safer as the slopes get faster and icier. It's important to hold an edge. So I actually saw a guy skiing, and he was lifting up one leg and skiing on one leg at a time, and I was going, what the heck is he doing, showing off? So I figured out that he was actually lifting up his uphill ski, which puts a lot more pressure on the downhill ski. And so try it. It'll help you angulate and carve much better, lifting up your uphill ski to put more pressure on your downhill ski. Okay, take care. See you next Wednesday.